find the area of the regular polygon. I can calculate the area of any regular polygon by multiplying 1/2 with its apothem and its perimeter. For this polygon, we don't have the apothem, so that's the first thing that I'm going to have to obtain. Now, I'm going to get the apothem by first grabbing the segment that was given and then connecting each of the endpoints with the center of the polygon. That's going to allow me to get the amount of rotation inside of the angle that I'm drawing in green, because this angle is just a fraction of 360 with the number of sides. Now this polygon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So I'm going to get 360 and divide that by 5, which is going to give me 72 degrees. Now to obtain the apothem, recall that the apothem is just the distance from the center of the polygon to the midpoint of any of the sides. So here I'm going to draw this perpendicular bisector. And when I bisect the angle, now I'm going to have 36 degrees. Furthermore, that's going to split my base of this triangle that I created. If the whole length was 7.9, if I get half of that, this length that I'm outlining in yellow is going to be 3.95. So let me go ahead and draw this triangle on the side. So I get 36 degrees. The apothem is what I'm trying to find, so I'm going to call it x. And then my base is 3.95, since again I bisected this entire segment of 7.9. Getting half of 7.9, that's going to be 3.95. Using trigonometry with my given angle, I have the opposite side and I have the adjacent side. Also, I want to just reemphasize that I can use trigonometry since I have a right triangle. Now, the function that's going to help me here is going to be tangent. So if I get tangent of 36, that's the ratio of opposite over adjacent, so 3.95 divided with x. I'm going to divide tangent of 36 by 1 so that I have a proportion. Whenever I have a proportion, I can cross multiply. So here I'm going to get x multiplied with tangent of 36. In the right hand side, I'm going to get 1 multiplied with 3.95, which is just going to be 3.95. To isolate x, I can divide both sides by a tangent of 36. And on the left hand side, the tangents are going to cancel out, isolating x. And on the right hand side, I gotta calculate 3.95 divided with tangent of 36, which is going to give me an approximation of about 5.4. So that's going to be the apothem. Now to calculate the area, I can set this problem up by getting 1/2, multiplying it with the apothem of 5.4. So now this is an approximation, so I'm getting the approximation of the area. And now I got to get the perimeter. Well, I was given one of the sides, which was 7.9, and the perimeter is just the outline of this shape, the length of this outline. So that's just going to be 7.9 multiplied with the number of sides. So I get 7.9 multiplied with 5. And let's go ahead and calculate this. 1/2 times 5.4, I'm going to get 22.7. And then 7.9 multiplied with 5. I'm going to get 39.5. Finally, 2.7 multiplied with 39.5. I'm going to get an approximation of about 106.65. And that's approximately the area of this regular polygon.